I wanted to show you this really neat project where you can reverse engineer test data. This is great for teaching. So we all know how data can be imported and into a vector database, and a graph representation or a spatial representation can be shown of the data. So this is a project by someone called Vincent Warmerdam. He's got some great projects. I think he's an exceptional data scientist, but he's a very good teacher as well. So he came up with this notebook. I'll share it in the comments. So basically you can run this within Colab, and what it gives you is this spatial latent space, whatever you want to call it. So I can say reset, you've got different classes, and you can actually create data for a project. So I can define another class. I want some data there, some data here. A third class. I can set my brush size, how many instances I want to put down, and a fourth one. Then after I've done this, I can actually run this piece of code, and I can get a download of my different collections and the values. What's also very interesting is that he's got this tool where you can actually create a quick graph. So again, reverse engineer the way you want your data to look and take it back to the actual source. So please take a look. It's really a very neat notebook, and it's a great way to even just show the spatial representation of data. But I think also there's a greater production consideration here to create test data. You want to maybe reverse engineer and start with the spatial relationship between different data points.